Why do most finance startups fail to create a strong brand identity? The answer starts with a great logo. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a sleek Finality logo, a modern wallet icon shaped like an F, in just minutes. Canva. Today we're designing a fintech company logo for Finality. First, click on Create a New Design, then go to Elements and pick a rounded square. Make it larger and place it in the center to keep everything aligned. Next, grab an oval shape, change its color to white, adjust the size and position it as shown in the example. Now take a circle, make it smaller, and place it in position. If you look closely, these shapes together start to resemble a wallet. To refine the design, pick another square, shrink it down, and place it at the bottom left corner. To shape it into an F, duplicate the rounded square, reduce its size, and place it at the bottom right side like in the example. Now, add a rectangle, shrink its height, and change its color to white. Then slightly move up the small rounded square to make the top part sharp instead of rounded, and that's it. The letter F represents the company's name, while the wallet shape symbolizes finance. Now let's add some color. I'm choosing blue, number 007, BFF, to represent trust, stability, and professionalism. For the finishing touch, you can add a shadow effect to give it more depth. And if you want, feel free to add text to complete the look. And here's the final result. Once again, we've created an awesome logo in Canva using simple shapes, even if you're on the free version. Pretty cool, right? Want to see more Canva logo design tutorials? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss out.